Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this really nice cutting board, and Virginia Boy's Kitchen was nice enough to send it to us for us to check out. Now, these guys make all of their stuff here in the good old US of A. So let's open this up and check it out. Look at that. Really, really nice. Now, this comes pre-seasoned, but they do recommend that you do oil this down. They sell stuff like this, mineral oil, that's food grade. It's really easy to do. I'm not going to do that right now. Should cut this up, show this thing to you here really quick, and then obviously I'll go ahead and soak it in this overnight and it'll be good to go. Now, if you don't have a really good knife, highly recommend investing in a good knife. It makes cooking so much more fun and easier. Boom, right there we go. This cutting board, again, looks really nice. Everything cuts really smooth on it. And then it does have these little chambers like here on the outside. You can hear my cat down there. She thinks I'm cooking up chicken. But yeah, all your juices and stuff will flow into there. Makes it really easy to clean up as well. She is freaking out down there. She loves chicken, and she actually likes eating these little things too. I'll toss her a little piece. All right, so that is this cutting board. I'll go ahead and get rid of this, and I'll show it to you a little bit more. All right, and since it is wood, you really don't want to slice up meat and stuff on here. It's great for your vegetables and everything like that, but it does absorb stuff. So just be cautious of that. They do sell like little plastic things that you can put on here. I have some of those around here in the house. And then here on the back side, does have the nice Virginia Boy's Kitchen made in USA branding right there. So overall, really nice. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Speaking of cleaning this up, you don't want to soak it. Just wipe it down quickly with water and then soak it with some more oil and you will be good to go. So yeah, go ahead, check this one out right here from Virginia Boy's Kitchen.